It's 3 a.m. The room is dark. The house is silent. And you're wide awake. You didn't choose to wake up. But here you are, staring at the ceiling. And the more you try to fall back asleep, the more impossible it feels. There's a reason. It's almost always around 3 a.m.s, between 3 and 4 in the morning. Your body reaches its lowest point. Your core temperature drops. Your sleep becomes lighter, and your brain rises closer to the surface, right between two cycles. This is the most fragile moment of the night, and the smallest thing can pull you fully awake. But waking up is not the real problem. The real problem is what happens next. In the dark, with nothing to distract it, your brain switches into survival mode. And here is the cruel part. The rational part of your mind is still half asleep, while the emotional part is wide awake. So every worry feels bigger, every problem feels heavier. And within seconds, your mind is racing at full speed. Then you make it worse. Without realizing it, you check the clock. You count how many hours are left. You panic about being exhausted tomorrow. And that panic releases stress hormones, the very thing keeping you awake. The harder you fight to sleep, the more awake you become. So tonight, if you wake up at 3 a.m., do the opposite of what feels natural. Don't check the clock. Don't try to force sleep. Instead, keep your eyes closed and slow your breathing. Breathe in for 4 seconds, hold for 4, and out for 6. The long exhale tells your body that you are safe. And if the thoughts keep coming, picture random objects, one by one. A tree, a spoon, a boat, a door. This quietly breaks the chain of anxious thinking. Because sleep never comes when you chase it. It comes when you stop trying. Your body already knows how to rest. You just have to get out of its way. This video is for educational purposes only and is not a substitute for professional medical advice. Always consult a qualified healthcare provider. If this helped you, subscribe to Selyra Mind for more science-based documentaries about sleep, anxiety, and the modern nervous system.